Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI. First they're sour, then they're sweet. We got Sour Patch Kids. They're one of my favorite gummy type candy. They're amazing, right? You probably grew up loving these as I did, and a person that loves sour candy and sour things in general, you know, you can't get wrong with these. But at the same time, even though they are sour, don't forget that they're sweet. So it balances it out perfectly. So it's a little bit of sour. It's not a lot, like I can have my parents eat them or anyone else, and they're never like, oh no. It's just a little bit of sour, and then you have that sweet, normal gummy type. Lemon is the sourest, and then I would say that the orange and the blue are some of the strongest flavors that you overall taste. Orange is like that classic orange sliced sugar candy, and then the blue is my favorite. It just tastes like a really good berry. What's great about getting a family size or a share size is how the packaging is reusable. Both of them at the top have the Ziploc bag at the top, so that way we all love candy, but we know we shouldn't be eating a ton of candy, but we want to share it. So that way your candy stays good. There is nothing worse than having a gummy candy go bad, because then it's hard. There's no good. So having that reusable Ziploc at the top saves your candy. It keeps it fresh always, staying good. You can share it, you can keep it for a while, you don't have to feel rushed eating your candy. So I love that they have the Ziploc at the top of it. Sour Patch Kids. They're one of my favorite candies. I love that they're sour, I love that they're sweet, I love that they're gummies, and they always taste fresh and good and super yummy. And that's my point of view.